Ladies and gentlemen, please calm down. Please listen to me. I want to tell you what's going on with the ship. Thank you. We've been thrown off course just a tad.
What's a tad? Somebody asked me exactly what's a tad.
What exactly is a tad?
In space terms, that's about 500,000 miles.
Oh, that's interesting.
The bumps you feel are asteroids smashing into the hull of this ship. Also, we're flying without a navigational system and can't seem to change course.
Miss, are you telling us absolutely everything?
Not exactly. We're also out of coffee. Listen to me. Your crew is in complete control of the situation. Trust me, there's absolutely nothing to worry about.
You're right. They're off course and heading straight for the sun. I've seen enough, Bob. Get me Steve McCroskey and fast.
McCroskey hasn't handled a tower since the strike.
Ever since Reagan fired the controllers, he's been completely senile.
Yeah, but what about McCroskey?
Pretty much the same as Reagan.
I don't care. Get him!
Oh, Father, I've led such a sinful life. You see, I'm married with 2 kids, and there were these 2 girls at the company. I got both of them pregnant, so I had to steal from the company in order to pay for the abortions, and I...
God bless you.
Oh, thank you, Father, thank you.
I've always loved you, darling. But I have to tell you, I was unfaithful to you just once.
Oh, I understand, darling.
Remember Jill, my first secretary? Forgive me.
That's all right. I knew about it all the time. I was unfaithful, too.
I understand, darling.
Remember Susan, your last receptionist?
I don't mean to sound forward. I mean, I know I don't know you. But I don't think we're gonna live through this. And I've never been with a man before. I know this really isn't the place.
Oh, no, I understand.
Who turned off the light?
What are you doing, Captain? This is highly irregular.